The Texwipe AlphaWipe TX1009 is one of the most widely used polyester cleanroom wipers in controlled environments today. The TX1009 is a 9x9-inch, dry, non-sterile, 100% polyester cleanroom wiper designed for critical cleaning, spill control, and solution application across a wide range of industries. Each TX1009 is manufactured from 100% continuous-filament polyester, meaning the fibers are single, unbroken strands that minimize linting and fiber release. The wiper features a cut edge and a durable knit structure that resists snagging and abrasion, even on rough or abrasive surfaces. Every wipe is cleanroom laundered and packaged, resulting in ultra-low levels of particles, ions, and non-volatile residues. The TX1009 offers high absorbency while maintaining excellent strength and chemical resistance. It's compatible with a wide variety of cleaning solutions and disinfectants, including isopropyl alcohol, and is autoclave safe. This wiper meets USP 797 and USP 800 requirements, making it suitable for pharmaceutical, biotech, and regulated cleanroom environments. The AlphaWipe TX1009 is designed for use in ISO Class 4 through 8 cleanrooms, equivalent to Class 10 to 100,000 or EU Grade A through D. It's commonly used for wiping down work surfaces, tools, equipment, and controlled production areas. The TX1009 is precision stacked, making it ideal for clean dispensing and use with wipe dispensers in critical environments. If precision stacking is not required by your SOP, the TX1009B offers the same wiper material and performance in a bulk packaged format, providing a more cost-effective option for higher volume applications. The TX1009 is part of Texwipe's AlphaWipe series, a family of cleanroom laundered, 100% polyester wipers designed for consistent performance across controlled environments. Across the AlphaWipe line, the core material and construction remain the same. The primary difference between variants is wiper size, allowing you to choose the format that best fits your application. If your process demands a low-lint, highly absorbent, and durable polyester wiper, the Texwipe AlphaWipe TX1009 is a proven, trusted solution. Thanks for watching this SOS Cleanroom product spotlight. SOS is here to help you choose the right tools to keep your critical environment compliant.